Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Garbie'Signature you're seeing on your screen, and today I'm going to be giving you a couple of DIY tips to slay this look and get this hair done. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome to my channel. Kindly click the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to drop your comments or your thoughts or suggestions of other videos you'd like me to create. But if you're a returning subscriber, hey, thank you guys. You guys are the plug on my channel. Thank you for your comments, your shares, your likes. My channel has been increasing. Brands are collaborating with me, and you know, it's like an all-round growth, and I attribute this to my faithful, loyal subscribers, people that share my video, those that comment, those that like. You guys are putting me on the map, and I'm super grateful. Thank you, tribe. I'm back again with another video. Today I'm bringing you this hair by Liyate, and it's the Crochet Butterfly Locs in the color T1B/30 and in 12 inches. To know more about how to install this hair, just keep on watching. First off, I'm just going to show you, I got this freebie gift. Look at what it looks like. It's a crochet pin with this tiny cute accessories. This hair accessories comes with it. Got 6 pieces of the crochet hair, and this came in the order. I guess this is a sample of the hairs they have. These are the different crochet braids that they have in store for you. I'm just going to be getting the hair out of the pack like so, and this is the length. It's got, let's count it together, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. It's got 12 pieces, and 6 of it is 72 pieces. So let's just keep fixing this to see how it's gonna look on my hair. But girl, I can't wait. For my edges, I'm gonna use the Akani hair gel, and I'm going like so, just a little bit, tiny bit on my edges. First off, I'm so happy right now that I didn't do my nails, because the truth is, this particular Butterfly Locs is a little tiny bit hard to get into, so there's gonna be a lot of struggling, and usually it should take me like 30 minutes, but this is gonna take me more than 30 minutes, so just keep watching. This is me trying to struggle to put my hands through it, and I'm just gonna go from here first, starting from the edge, dip this in, pull this over here, click it and pull it out. As you can see, it's so simple. I'm just gonna do like so. Well, it's got a tiny hole, so I don't want to stress. Oh guys, this is gonna be a very tedious video, because the holes are going to give me a lot of issues. Okay, so I tried the first attempt and it was pretty bad. This is the second attempt. I had to pull down this twist over here, and I'm able to get my hand through it. So let's go again. So pull this through, pick it, pull it out, get this out, and I'm gonna just pull this through, and there we go. This is a lot, trust me, but in no time and with determination, you're just gonna go right through it quickly. So what you're gonna do is get each piece and pull it down, and let me tell you, it's gonna be time consuming, but I'm sure it's gonna be worth it at the end. So I'm just pulling this. Did you notice that I'm doing a colorful hair today? Like, I'm doing T30. Like, who am I? I'm doing T30. That's so not me. Little part done. I'm just going to do the back and come back to show you the end of this video, because it's going to be a bit slower than I thought. The loops are quite tiny, so I've got to tug and turn and pull. It's like a lot. My fingers are red, so it's going to take a very long time. I'm sorry, but I love it because it's worth it. I love the color. Like, look at the vibe. Look at the vibe. Look here. I'm going to show you in a minute, and this is the front. So let's just complete it together. It can be a lot. So I was able to open up some of the loops, and this is what I got. That's pretty good. So let's just keep going like so. I'm just gonna take this that's closest to me and put it in, get it out. So there we go. Getting the next one, and I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna pick the last one over here, put it in, put this loop. There you go, and it goes all the way to the back. Hand of the hair. In total I have 72 strands, but the truth is I used 70 and I've got just one strand left. Look, it's actually hooked onto this. Scissors want to let go. I actually have one strand left, and this is what it all looks like. Look, this is my parting over here, and everything is sitting pretty. Oh my goodness. I don't know why I haven't tried, you know, another color all this while. I actually thought it wasn't going to be looking nice on me, but girl, I'm going to be back with my makeup. Now I'm going in with my foundation, which is the Maybelline foundation Fit Me Matte, and I'm just going all over my face. Next up, I'm adding the Juvia's Place concealer in the color J13, and I'm just quietly blending it out. Next up, I'm going in with the Juvia's Place foundation stick, and I'm going to blend it out with my fluffy blending sponge, and I'm also going to blend the sides of my nose with a blending brush. This is to give it a smooth and flawless finish. As you can see, I'm going in with a light, and when I'm actually done, you'll see that I have a soft contour going on. Next, I'm using the Sacha buttercup setting powder to set my face, and I'm going to finish it up with the Veebeauty powder. I did a light contour on my nose with the Veebeauty powder in ebony. With the same ebony shade, I'm going over my face in the same areas that I used the cream contour. I'm using the NYX professional pencil to fix my brows up. First, I'm going to brush out my brows to make it smooth and feather-like, then just fill in the spots that look very sparse, just so it gives me the shape of brow I want. To clean up my brows, I'm going in with the same Juvia's Place concealer in the color and the number J13, and I'm just cleaning up my brows. Here I have to be very careful because I'm done with my makeup. I'm just doing a very light nude highs using my same contour powder from the Veebeauty powder palette. I'm just going all over my crease, and I'm also setting my eyes. For my lips, I'm using the Beyond Beauty 24 Hours Long Lasting Lip Gloss to shape up my lips and just give it the definition that I want. Next up, I'm going to be going in with my lip palette that I always use to create my nude lips. I'm going to be using it to create an ombre effect on my lips. Just keep watching and just figure out how I use like 6 to 7 colors to get the final lip shade. I really blended to my wrist earth. When I was done blending, I went in with my Fenty Beauty lip gloss just to give some color on my lips. Next, I'm going in with the Maybelline mascara to just fluff my eyelash. Next up, I'm fixing my eyelashes and using the Master Chrome to give my face some highlight, just some popping color to blind my haters. I don't have any, I'm sure. Now that I'm done, I'm just going to spray my face with my Maybelline setting spray, rose water. Look at the back. Just check out the back of this hair. Don't I look gorgeous? I look absolutely amazing. Hat like so. I'm just going to clip it on any area that I want. So that was a very quick install. I had a little bit of struggle trying to get the loopholes loose, but once I got a hang of it, girl, I absolutely love this install. As you can see, this is the Butterfly Locs by Liyate hair, and this is the flyer that came with the hair styles that they have. They've got the spring twist, the Butterfly Locs, the crochet Butterfly Locs. They've got the wig block head in the colorful color and in the black canvas. They've got a range of products that you can choose from, but today I'm reviewing the Butterfly Locs in 12 inches in the color T1B/30, and I don't know how to behave. If you guys watch my channel frequently, you realize that a lot of the times I usually go for like black, darker colors. This is my first time trying, well, this is gonna be my second time because I reviewed the gray hair wig, which I'm gonna link up over here, but this is my second time trying a colorful wig like so. This is my first time trying a crochet hair that is not black. I think I'm unlocking some, you know, color blocking skills, which is absolutely great for me. I love the way the color feels on me. It feels so natural. Like, I can't believe that I'm actually rocking this because I do not love colors. I just like to play it safe, but right now I'm taking a lot of risk. You know, life is beautiful when you take risk and go out of your comfort zone. So I'm going out of my comfort zone, and I absolutely love. I'm going to drop the link in my description box. Kindly check it out. Click on it. They've got amazing discount prices for you, and they are affordable. I love this hair. I love the color. I just didn't like the fact that the look was a little bit tight, but it's just that it slowed me down a little bit. But apart from that, everything was absolutely perfect. If you like videos like this, kindly keep watching. Check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Till next time, I'm going to see you same time, same place, Mondays by 12 p.m. That's the time. Thank you. Bye.